We've released today our feasibility study into the Menzies and Laverton Gold Project. Excitingly, this culminates a year of hard work into a number of open pit and underground deposits across our two key operational and development hubs. The feasibility study outlines the production of approximately 340,000 ounces of gold recovered over a 5-year mine life that delivers excellent economics with $461 million of project-free cash flow, a plus $300 million NPV, and an internal rate of return of 73% at spot gold prices. This sees an average production profile of approximately 70,000 ounces for the life of mine. This is in addition to the current gold production from our Second Fortune and Fish underground mines, which are excluded from the feasibility study. Mine life extensions at those operations will add material upside to the production profile and our cash flows. Importantly for Brightstar, we have the vision that the gold production from Menzies and Laverton is targeted to provide the organic free cash flow funding required to develop a significant sandstone gold project in the coming years, underpinning our aspiration of building a plus 200,000 ounce per annum gold production business. The ore reserves have been calculated at a gold price of $3,500 per ounce to ensure our focus remains on high quality, high margin ounces. There are significant opportunities for us to deliver mine life extensions across the deposits and project areas, with further drilling and technical work underway to unlock additional upside for production growth. The feasibility study outlines near-term mining commencement at Menzies, with processing proposed to be undertaken by third-party mills. This aligns with our announcement last week of the MOU with Paddington Gold that outlines the framework for an ore purchase agreement for processing Menzies open pit ore. In Laverton, the study assesses the construction of a brand new 1 million tonne per annum mill, utilising the existing site and installed infrastructure at our current site for material capital and timetable savings. We've been laser focused in our objective of getting into production and growing our production profile in the short term, with expansions and developing mine life growth thereafter. All mining areas are located on granted mining leases, with the approvals and permitting process well advanced, with mining proposals and closure plans submitted with demurs and expected for approval in the coming months. We are targeting first production from Menzies in the first half of calendar year 2026 at the Lady Shenton open pit, followed by the commencement of mining at the Lord Byron open pit later in 2026. The sequential development of mining areas and the construction of the processing plant in Laverton allows us to manage and balance operational risks and working capital requirements to deliver the best financial outcome for our shareholders. Our team has been expanding significantly recently, with a number of key senior leadership and operational roles brought into the business to enable project execution on time and on budget. This presents as a very fundable project with peak working capital requirements of $120 million. Earlier in the year, we commenced a debt financing process and have had strong interest from domestic commercial banks and also natural resource specialist non-bank lenders globally, with a number of term sheets received by the company for financing support. Debt financing is targeted to provide up to 60 to 70% of the total funding requirements. Our Fish mine is also now into first ore, which represents the maximum capital drawdown with all capex sunk and now expected to generate material cash flow from the September quarter onwards. Combined with our existing Second Fortune operation, Brightstar is well placed to grow from the current production run rate of 40,000 ounces per annum to upwards of 70,000 ounces per annum. Contemporaneous with our operating mine and development assets, we retain a strong focus on our exploration activities across the group and specifically at the Sandstone Gold Project. We see material potential for increases to the current 1.5 million ounce mineral resource base at Sandstone, and with our consistent exploration updates highlighting the quality and calibre of the Sandstone project, which represents a material mine development project for Brightstar in the coming years. Importantly, Brightstar retains our focus on delivering our Target 200 aspiration, where we do have the vision to be a plus 200,000 ounce producer within 4 years, which genuinely positions Brightstar as a mid-tier West Australian gold producer. I'd like to congratulate the entire Brightstar team for delivering this study in parallel with all the other work streams underway that positions Brightstar for a fundable, developable project execution and material production growth in the coming years. This study and the commitment to sustainable gold production growth illustrates the development pathway that we are on to generate significant value for our shareholders.